black drum. Got a little... What is that? I don't know. Let's go measure him.
Yeah.
Let me see. Almost 18 pinch to tail.
Oh, perfect. Oh, man, I don't want to retie. Not a
Sheep's head.
I knew it because they kept on getting loose.
Those are the hooks for sheep's head. Sheep's head. He's only... Okay. No, too small. 12 and a half. Going back. Throw him in.
Yeah, and somebody, other people.
He's wet. Turn the other one. No, the other. Yeah, that one. Oh, look, this one's lighter than the other one. Poor Mansfield, guys. Had to come out to the channel this week. Fish weren't biting out at the pier. They're still out here.